Let's get your highlights now from the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, where you had Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath along with his entire cabinet taking the sacred dip in the Triveni Sangam at the Mahakumbh Prayagraj. These are the images of the cabinet along with Yogi Adityanath, all taking that holy dip, sprinkling water on each other at the Triveni Sangam. And this happened right after Yogi Adityanath held a cabinet meeting in Prayagraj, announcing a series of developmental programs for the city. There's also a political showdown as Akhilesh Yadav has claimed that the BJP, with these images, is politicizing the Mahakumbh.
It was a confluence of faith, divinity and governance at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, along with his 54 ministers, reached the Triveni Sangam for the sacred Snan. Flanked by his two deputies, Brajesh Pathak and Keshav Prasad Maurya, Yogi Adityanath took the holy dip at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers and offered salutations to the sun. Politics has erupted over Uttar Pradesh cabinet's holy dip. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav accused the BJP of politicizing the divine Kumbh.
Jindabad, Jindabad.
कुंभ और प्रयागराज वो स्थान नहीं है जहां पर राजनीति और राजनीतिक कार्यक्रम और फैसले लिए जाएं। कैबिनेट ही पॉलिटिकल है, ये पॉलिटिकल है और पॉलिटिकल संदेश देना चाहते हैं वो लोग।
Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also held a cabinet meeting at the Mahakumbh. Highlighting Kumbh's contribution to the state's economy, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister announced a slew of developments.
प्रदेश के विकास से जुड़े हुए जो नीतिगत निर्णय हैं, उन मुद्दों पे चर्चा हुई है। नए निवेश के प्रस्ताव यहां पर आए हैं, जिन्हें लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट यहां पे आज जारी हो रहे हैं। इनमें एक मिर्जापुर का है, 10,000 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक का निवेश का है, एक मुरादाबाद का है और अन्य दो प्रस्ताव जिन पर आज यहां पर लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट के बारे में चर्चा हुई है।
From tech giants to Hollywood stars to political leaders, 45 crore devotees from across the world are expected to attend the Mahakumbh. Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, so in the cabinet meet that took place just before Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath took the holy dip, a slew of announcements were made essentially about infrastructure projects in Uttar Pradesh, all largely for the holy city of Prayagraj. For example, the Ganga Expressway project that will connect Prayagraj to several other cities has been confirmed by the cabinet. 3 medical colleges will now come up, one in Hathras, one in Kasganja and one in Bagpat. 62 industrial training institutes have now been announced, and this will be spread across the state of Uttar Pradesh. There will be 5 centers that focus on innovation and on invention alone. So these 5 centers will be set up again across Uttar Pradesh, not really clear as to exactly where this will be. Now, the renewal of aerospace and defense employment policy to boost investments is something the cabinet has also announced. Also, issuance of municipal corporation bonds for Prayagraj, for Varanasi, as well as for Agra, 3 cities that see a lot of tourist footfall. Now, development region will also be created according to the UP cabinet, combining Prayagraj and Chitrakoot district as well. So you've got a number of announcements that have been made post the cabinet. You can see how several of these decisions have been taken, largely keeping in mind the development, the vikas of Prayagraj. Let's get you some of the images that are coming in right now from the Mahakumbh. These are images of Sudha Murthy, who is at the Mahakumbh, and she helped serve the Mahaprasad in the ISKCON camp at Prayagraj. You can see her in a green sari with a black bag on her shoulder. Sudha Murthy was seen standing at the food counter, distributing rotis to devotees visiting the Mahakumbh. Former President Ramnath Kovind visited the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj on Tuesday morning. He expressed his satisfaction with the arrangements made for the grand spiritual gathering. During his visit, Kovind, who was there with his family, also commended the UP Chief Minister and his administration for their meticulous planning and organization. These are images of Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani attending the ongoing Mahakumbh Mela with his family in Prayagraj. The Adanis, he was of course accompanied by his entire family, offered prayers at the Triveni Sangam and also visited the ISKCON camp and helped cook with the Mahaprasad. These are images of the Uttar Pradesh top cop, the DGP Prashad Kumar, taking a holy dip in the sacred waters of the Sangam during the Mahakumbh. Actor Bhagyashree attended the Mahakumbh Mela with her family as she expressed her excitement and praised the UP government for all arrangements that have been made. Okay, let's bring in Samarth Srivastava, who's joining us live from Prayagraj. He's been getting us all the latest updates from the Mahakumbh. Samarth, as we see devotees from across the country, really across the world, converging there at the Mahakumbh. Images came in of the UP cabinet, also the ministers taking a holy dip today. In the next few days, of course, you're going to see many, many political dignitaries there, including Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah.
Well, exactly, Akshita. We saw how the Yogi cabinet came here, took a meeting about the cabinet and later took a holy dip in the river Ganga. Also, they were quite excited. They were having the widest smile on their faces because at one hand, UP got many developmental projects, while on the other hand, they also gave a message just few days before the Milkipur bypoll in Ayodhya, because it's also about the political messaging that happened today. While on the other hand, we saw how Akhilesh Yadav slammed the government and said why to make it a political event when the cabinet is something related to politics and you are doing it in Sangam. But the UP ministers replied and said when Saifai things happened, why Akhilesh Yadav remained tight-lipped. So that's the situation. But if you talk about Mahakumbh and the colors, then I must show you some pictures out here. As you see some singers out here, they have come from different regions and are singing and are drums here. They are quite excited for Mahakumbh. I'll just go to them. कहाँ से आए? So you can really see the sense out here, the smile on their faces. They are remembering this.
Okay, Samarth getting us some of the sights and sounds there from the Mahakumbh, where every corner you go, and I've been there, of course, in the beginning of the Mahakumbh, every corner you go, you'll see Astha display like the manner in which Samarth is showing us in his report as well. Thanks very much, Samarth, for joining us live with those updates from Prayagraj. Now, as we get you these images of also the UP cabinet, let's talk about other viral moments from the Kumbh. For example, this young girl, a teenager, a garland seller at the Mahakumbh, has become a social media sensation thanks to her striking features. Her name is actually Mona Lisa, but many have drawn comparisons also between her and Leonardo da Vinci's iconic painting. She's gone viral, so much so that on social media there are videos of her now being hounded, forced to leave the Kumbh.
क्या कहेंगे आप? कभी अगर मौका मिला फिल्मों में तो ये रोजगार करेंगे या फिर
चली जाओगी? नहीं करोगी?
यहाँ रुकने का है आपको? रुकेंगे आपकी जाएंगे?
1 महीने तक रुकूंगी।
अब जो लोग परेशान करेंगे उससे किस तरह बच रहे हैं आप? मास्क लगा?
क्या बताओ, मास्क चश्मा लगाते फिर भी पहचान लेते कि वही है,
फिर भी पहचान लेते हैं। तो कितने सारे परिवार के लोग परेशान है सर।
हाँ, कोई कोई तो धमकी जैसे कि डराते भी कि आपकी लड़की को उठा के ले जाएंगे, करेंगे और करेंगे, आपको पता भी नहीं चलने देंगे।
ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसे कहते लोग, डराते।
So millions of devotees descending at Prayagraj for the divine Mahakumbh. Among them was also Prime Minister Narendra Modi's nephew Sachin Modi, whose soulful bhajans at the Kumbh have now gone viral.